over there. Look on the phone. Yeah. I don't know if Petagaye. I don't even know if Petagaye is vlogging, but I'm just enough. Guys, we're making a Petagaye reaction when we are teeth out our snack. A snack. Guys, she not cost me cars. She not cost me cars. I got no toes here. Hey, reaction with you on this. But we get one bun. No.
Guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm importing all my videos to my laptop. So I connect it to my phone with the USB, select all the clips that I want for the vlog and put it on the laptop. That's what I do. Guys, once you see Premiere Pro, you know what this is by now. It's editing time, people. So I have some vlog for edit for you guys. The time is 9:45. So I just edit. I'm gonna name the file here. Let me show you a little bit of Premiere Pro. Okay, I'm gonna name my file. So I have some file names right here. Remember that me and Chin use it in edit. So we just call it some files. But don't watch this and I saw it look. So and then I have new project, open project, and so I'm gonna open a new project. Click here. Then this comes up, and whatever you want to call it, I'm going to call it because remember it's just for the project, because if you're going to post on YouTube it's just be different. So may I call it downtown meet stew peas. Yeah, then you click enter. Once you click enter, the program is going to load. Sometimes it takes a while and then it comes out like this. So you have import media to start, then let me just show you. Let me show you. So I have some files right here. Then I place all my clips, what I did or what I had on my phone, because I vlog in my phone. Then I'm importing all the files right now. Guys, it's not really a tutorial. What all an embarrassment here. So I carry it over, and these are all my files. So I have to edit all of this now. So what you're seeing right here is like a pink. So these are some pictures what actually came over from my phone. I don't want the pictures, so I'm just going to delete them. And then carry these together. Something like so. Understand? But maybe you guys one day would maybe want a tutorial of how I edit using Premiere Pro, but this is just the beginning. Okay, well, so far all the clips I have, keep in mind I don't add in my intro as yet nor my outro, so that is a different something. So the first thing what I normally do, guys, I just do this. I'm not going to explain sometimes, okay? So I highlight all of these media, then I want to gauge the audio, because remember back in the days you guys were complaining that the audio is very low. So that's what I do, and turn up the audio, or you can either type in dynamic processing over here, and then you drop it on the clip and you gauge it. Let me see if I can show you guys this way then. So I want to put everything on the file, right? And then once you click the file, because the bottom right here is the audio and up here is the image. So once you double click the audio, it's gonna come over this side. Let me see if I can. It's gonna come over to the control panel. But as I mentioned before, it's not really a tutorial. It's actually a tutorial, but it's not really a deep tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what I'm up to, basically. So yeah, so next time I show you guys everything. Good morning, guys. I'm here with my brother.
Outside.
So we're going to the shop. Today is Mother's Day. So big up all the mothers on Mother's Day.
I know yourself in the morning.
Don't say it's on Mother's
Big
Day.
up, you know. Your basket soon come over Spanish down, you know. Better know.
So that's what we're doing. We're just going to the shop. I'm just say, Brandon, just come to the shop. Tim wash my ear yesterday and Tim came on my ear. But I plan to do my hair in the week. So that's what's up.
Big up video one them still, you know.
Don't say from just a start.
Yeah, man.
If we put your right now, yeah, that would laugh.
No, I'm come to laugh.
Yeah, I laugh and pick me up.
At first.
So yeah, for breakfast today will be cabbage and maybe saltfish, not sure. Bread and tea. Not sure if it's Milo or mint. It depends on what
That is
you
her
want.
breakfast, man. That is her breakfast.
What is your breakfast?
One special and 2 cigarettes.
Jeez,
One special and 1 big spliff.
for breakfast, that can fill your belly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is how we do it, sir.
People the sun out here. So
A glue skin and glow. Look there.
I'm gonna tell you to follow up on Instagram because I don't even think I use Instagram.
You got that glow, me and glow, God.
So I soon curfew. What time my curfew today? Curfew today was Sunday. Curfew at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock curfew. What's your view on the curfew though? You don't like it though? You don't like the curfew business?
Why? Me no in the business that's still in the scandal lockdown, you know.
So you go.
We don't follow it up, we just work with the law, you know.
Which is right. So guys, I'm something there. My phone ring, so I forgot on site. So yeah. Whew. So we're back. We'll soon reach Bryston. And some people there the old still. So people like last week whenever I get for vlog. Well, I'm vlogging but I just never edit. I'm gonna do one voiceover, so voiceover take time. I see if I can end the video today, upload it either the end of the day or maybe tomorrow, Monday. Let's see if I can edit everything on my phone and just upload Monday. I hope she have planting. You see, we in Jamaica call it planting and overseas call it planting. So, okay, that's sad now. If for some of this, we go at the ATM and the ATM machine now. So when we get back with you guys.
Up here up.
So Brandon I walk with the goods. So I take one choppy for kind of one shortcut for go home. And yeah. Brandon, remember when we used to go to that church? The Jehovah's Witness.
We don't compete.
Yeah.
You never left for your thing.
Don't it? Come church, and look how you turn out.
You turn out nowhere.
Look how you turn out. So guys, comment below what church you go. If you're a 7th day, if you're a Jehovah's Witness, if you're a
prophecy.
So just comment the church you go to. Akitree.
What tree?
Why do I like about some in a brand now? Cause of crab time, cause of mango time and crab time. Eh?
That's all you like, food, don't it?
Everybody know this. What's in the money that I don't know? At least I get enough things already. I just the egg and the mutton. But also Trevor have it, but if you there right, so can't either go down and sport it, my cheaper.
That is it.
Yeah, like what day, so just go down and sport it down there. So.
We don't have it.
Yeah. Because Trevor sell pound of mutton $700. $700 for a pound of mutton, but we can't export this thing.
It don't matter. Sorry,
but it don't matter. So that's what's up. So people, what do you want next? Also, that's the time. No smoking. Bring there to so.
See it?
With the bag there. Why just take up the money? Why just bring the money?
This have sitting, this have one cream.
Are you in? Prepare it, sir.
Cream,
people, breakfast, cabbage and saltfish and bread. Mom, my tea already. I'm gonna show you that I had Horlicks, so I'm gonna just have this right now. Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to go to my girl Kashi. I'm going to do my hair as usual. So I just washed it, so we're going to Kashi. Yeah. People, it's time again to do my hair. So I'm gonna see one comment that says somebody say, you're not gonna do your hair. I'm gonna do my hair. Okay, if you don't see say my hair one you can donate here. Alright, if you're not donating, just okay, so yeah. So guys, my day here, time for do my hair as I say. I have my braids ready. I'm gonna do a simple style because I like 10 minutes to 5 and the curfew is at 8. So I'm just do one cane in the back. Depending on from mine, I do be a business. Could even vlog it, trust me, I tell you. But that's there. Very cash up, Supper Giants, my favorite.
The next one not serve me that time though.
People, let me know when last you drink a chubby. Touch truth. Guys, may I go now at 8 o'clock. But, may I eat a chubby? Okay, so yeah.